So in today's video, we are going to do the speed run, the acceleration from 0 to 60, and we're gonna measure this with an application. Well, honestly, I don't know if this application is very accurate or not, but I hope it will be enough. So as you see, here is the application. So let's turn it into sport mode. I'm gonna start the measurements, and off we go. So I was almost sure that the mileage and time that they have affected the condition of the engine, and that the result will be lower. But the declared result from 0 to 60, the time is 8 seconds, 8.0. And according to the measurement, after 450,000 kilometers on the clock, as you can see, it's 8 seconds, 0.12. So, wow. It turns out that the engine is still in quite a good condition.
The next day.
So, living with a lemon is not an easy thing. Yesterday, after the 0 to 60 run, I noticed a leakage of the coolant, and it's time to get it done. It's time to fix it. Let me open the reservoir. Unfortunately, it's almost empty. So I have already removed the engine cover, and it's time to find out what has happened. So we're moving on, and as you see, the intake is almost disassembled. I got stuck with one element here. I need to somehow remove the positive wire, but I hope I'll find a good solution to this. Yeah, we're moving on. So the intake has been removed, and I'm pretty sure that this element is the problem. Yeah, you can see a crack, and this is where the coolant is currently leaking from. So we are here. I have just removed this element, the flange. As you see, it's here, and here's a big crack. Yeah. The intake has been assembled again, hope properly. We'll see, of course, in a moment. So just a few plastics to go, the filters, and that should be it. We'll see if it works. I hope so. This is the second attempt. I put everything together, and unfortunately it was a big surprise. It started leaking again, but somewhere else. And I decided to use some rubber sealings, O-rings, and we'll see how it works. Hopefully it will solve the problem. As you can hear, and as you can see, the engine is working. Oh, we've got a little warning light, airbag, but yeah, I think we should ignore this. It will disappear in 10 minutes, I'm pretty sure about that. So I had another attempt of repairing the leakage. Then it turned out that it was leaking again, so I had to disassemble everything, you know, the intake and so on. So it took me a couple of hours more, and I put everything together once again, like disassembled and assembled again, and I started observing the hoses. So it wasn't leaking. So then I decided to have a test drive. I did. For now, it's not leaking. Just in case, I bought 5 liters of the coolant, and I just hope that I will not have to use it. So for now, it's been okay. The repair has been done, so we can move on. Just a few shots for the end. As you see, the old diesel is pulling quite well. If you like the video, drop a comment below, leave a thumbs up, and just see you in the next one. Bye.